Ramadan is just around the corner, and we are making two of our Ramadan favorites here in Dhaka, piaji and beguni, made with beshon batter.
Here is piaji made with besan and begni Bangladeshi style for upcoming Ramadan. Whatever you are eating this week, মজা করে খাও. Enjoy your food.